Hire from Air Powered Services again. Just wanted to talk to you today about oil-free compressors. Now, not everyone's got oil-free compressors from a rental perspective, but Air Powered Services do specialise in renting oil-free compressors, not only to industry but also to mining and gas. So if you need oil-free compressors, there are very few companies that do it. We have a range of large diesel compressors, 100% oil-free, that can go into industry, 1500 CFM and down. We also have a great range of electric air-cooled oil-free compressors, starting at 11 kilowatt and working way up to 145 kilowatt and beyond. Oil-free electrics are great where you've got an ongoing need to rent compressors for your production area. If you're waiting on parts or you need existing new lines going in, you can rent oil-free compressors from Air Powered Services. They're air-cooled, so you don't need water to them all the time. You can just drop them in, connect power, and we will ship them across the country. We've got people everywhere that can come in, commission, get them going and maintain them. So if you need oil-free air and you need it long-term or short-term, give Air Powered Services a call and we can support you for that. Thank you. Come to Air Powered Services for very attractive rental rates on all our oil-free compressors.